activate like that. That chip gives you a second set of sounds and things that you can swap. Does that make sense?
This? Or should we do the black and clear or the black and gray?
So if you are going on the black. The coils on the front, press it in, there's a screw up here, press this button to screw them in. Okay? So that's kind of notch on one side. There you go, friends, you're all set. Alright, now you get to accessorize. So, you get two of these, and they go across the front right here. And I've got the same four colors in this leg panels on either side. So these are the leg panels that are on either side. Do you want another red one?
Yeah, let's do red. Please.
All right. Are you ready for activation? Happy with your
Let's
colors?
do it. Yep.
Perfect. Power it on. Slide that down. Legs are on, perfect. When that button lights up, press it. Sorry. Activating. Alright, Alright, we got everything on. Happy with all our colors? Sure. Do you have a name for your droid yet? No. Here we go. So you're going to stand them up straight like this. Leg back, toe up, toe to the middle. We've got talking, head turning. Blue buttons are for the body. And this one is going to be leg accessories. Okay, here we go. I'll let you play with that. I'll be right back. Alright, so the power switch down here, slide that down and turn it on. Now when that big activate button lights up, press it. So the back of the body takes your double A's, triple A's in the remote. Your droid has a sleep mode, so 5 minutes, no activity. They'll fall asleep on their own. To wake them up, just use their power switch on the bottom, turn it off and on again.
Right on.
Okay? And then it also reminds you which button does what, just in case you forget.
Right on.
Do you need a box?
Please.
As I'm enjoying it, you know, like, I feel like I'm about 7 now, like...
Do you have more than one droid?
No, this is my first one.
When you get a second one, if you leave them on near each other, they talk to each other
Yeah,
when
my
you need
friends
to
have
know.
one and we're planning it. We're doing the Star Cruiser the same weekend. So we're doing all of
We
this
didn't,
now.
we didn't know that when we built the first ones, and in the hotel room they started talking. We're like,
Oh no, it's like the Furbies. alone and they talk. All right, you're all set.
Enjoy your night. Thank
So if you want, we can go ahead and like get this guy ready to go.
Okay.
It is a little bit complicated. I mean, there are instructions, of course. But earlier we even had someone come back and bring it to all of a sudden. It's really up to you. If you want to
Yeah,
make a package up.
we'll open it.
Want to open it? Okay.
I'll try that.
Introducing the ultimate way to elevate your Disney experience. Imagine dining like never before, right in the heart of the magic. Our custom-made tablecloths for Disney trash cans are designed to bring you a dining experience that's simply extra. Elevate your special moments even further with matching napkins, eco-friendly flatware, and the ambience of a charming candlestick. Choose from a wide range of enchanting Disney-themed patterns that resonate with your favorite stories. Whether you're having a romantic dinner, a family gathering, or simply want to make festival snacking special, our tablecloths are here to transform your moments into picture-perfect magical memories. Visit our website and bring the extra to your table because every moment can be a magical moment.